Hello, I am Beerbal Solanki, Assistant Professor in AKGC College, Ghaziabad. Today we will discuss the string concept in Python. So, the string is a sequence of characters and represented by the double quote and single quote, and also by the triple quote, and triple quote used when the multiple line store. So, now discuss the table of content. First of all, we discuss about the table of contents, that is basics of the string in the Python, and the string concatenation, string appending, string multiplying, string length, indexing, slicing, string methods, and then references. So, we will discuss one by one. So, the string. Here we discuss about the some introduction part. A string is a sequence of character. Python treat anything inside codes as a string. This include letter, number, and symbols. Python has no character data type, so single character is a string of length 1. Now discuss how to represent the string. So, the string is string in Python are surrounded by either the single quotation or marks or double quotation marks. That is, it is represented by single quote and double quotation marks. So, this is the example. Hello single quote is same as the hello double quotes. Now, you can display string literal with the print function. So, here the string can be displayed by the print function here and same as here. So, this and this also the same. Here be represented by the example. Now, we discuss about the string concatenation and how to explain with the example. To concatenation or combine two string, you can use the plus operator. Here we see with the example, concatenation example. Here hello is the string and stored in the variable A, and world is also a string stored in the variable B, and use the concatenation by the plus operator. So, we can concatenate A string and B string with the help of the plus operator and store the all string into the both string into the C variable, and here print the C variable. So, the output of this program, simple program, hello from here and world from here, it is concatenated by the plus operator. Here we can see there is no space between the two words or string. If we want to some space into the this string, two different string, so we use we can see the next program. Here the same string is that hello and stored in the variable A, and the world is another string that stored in the variable B. And if we want to some space between the two strings A and B, then here create the some space. Here is the one space. Now stored in the variable C and print C. So, you can see the concatenation with the some space. So, hello space and world, you can see. Now, you see the next things, string appending. String appending, here we see with the help of the plus operator at the end of the string. So, the string appending means to add something at the end. In Python, you can add something at the end of another string using the plus operator. Here we see with the help of example how to append the some string into the previous already created string. So here see, hello is a string. Hello is a string that is stored in the str variable. Now we want to enter the some string by the user. So use the input function, and there is the message to print the screen, and the string stored by the variable name. And here the str plus equal to name. नेम में जो भी आएगा आपका वो आपके स्ट्रिंग है उसके साथ क्या हो जाएगा, ऐड हो जाएगा. तो ये आपका क्या है, ऑलरेडी वी हैव द स्ट्रिंग इनटू द वेरिएबल str. सो हेलो, दिस इज द हेलो comma and then name. Suppose the name enter by the user, suppose that Rahul. So the add here str plus name. So name is add with the hello, so that is Rahul, and now the str is that, what is that, this is the str, and plus the welcome. str plus equal to welcome. So hello comma Rahul, then add the welcome. Welcome at then add the welcome. Then print the string. The string print as an output like that. So here we see also the example. This is the string Rahul, and hello is from here, and then add the from here input function, and welcome add here. So we see with the example how to append the string into the already exist string. Now the next thing is that string multiplying. We can add multiply operator to repeat a string n number of times. So how to write that? Hello is the string that is stored in the str, and if we want to repeat this same string to the multiple times, means that here this is 3 times. So hello, we repeat hello 3 times, so multiply 3. So here we see the output here, hello and hello and hello. If we want to suppose that the string repeat to the 5 times, so here write the 5, str multiply 5. So here the output is 5 times string multiply. And next is the string length. To get the length of the string, use the len function to find out the length of any string. So how to see how to describe the len, or how to use function len. The len function returns the length of the string. Suppose there is the string that is stored in the variable a, print len for the length of a. So output of that a, that is 13 है ना. तो ये आपका जो भी स्ट्रिंग है उसकी लेंथ कितनी है, 13 है ना. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 और ये 13, ये 13 लेंथ है. तो जब भी हमें किसी फंक्शन में या किसी प्रोग्राम में ज़रूरत रहे कि किसी स्ट्रिंग की लेंथ क्या, तो लेंथ फंक्शन का यूज हम कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी विल डिस्क्राइब द string indexing. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of length of 1. A square bracket can be used to access the element of string. So here we see with the example. Suppose again the hello world is the string, and I want to print the print the this letter from the string. So, string here we see with the function print a here and then square bracket and then 1, because the string indexing is starting with 0 and then 1, 1, then 2, 3, that then and so on and so on. So, suppose that we want to print the h, so here we write a 0 like that. So, if we want to print the some character or letter from the string, so we use like that. Here we describe the with the help of the this simple table or figures how to write the indexing from forward direction and backward direction. So, we see and explain this. And then this is the string that suppose that gigs 4 gigs is the string, and string starting from the 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And suppose we want to print the last letter from the string. So, here we write 12 for the string and also we write minus 1. So, and if we display the screen G, so we write the 0 indexing or also minus 30 indexing. So, this is the negative and positive indexing. So, here we see some example to how to traversing the string. The program is that program to demonstrate string traversal using the indexing. So, here we see how to traverse the string. The message equal to hello, message equal to hello, index is a variable that is stored the 0, and here use the for loop for I in message. So, message is here from this is the variable that is stored the string, and I is the variable, the by default value is 0. So, print the some message and indexing value and the string. So, this is the message to print the screen, one message और ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट का लेफ्ट साइड, एंड देन उसके बाद इंडेक्सिंग आपको डिस्प्ले करानी है, तो जो वेरिएबल है आपने लिख दिया था 0 and the 0 starting with 0 and then print the message this and then print the string variable that is h then e l o. So, here then increase the indexing plus by 1, then indexing 0 to 1. So, here starting that is message this and the indexing 0, this is for a square bracket from here and then index from 0 and then this for n equal to and then h, and the index increases by 1, then 0 message 1, then 1 and equal to e from here. So, increasing the value I and print the h, e, double l and o. So, here we see with the help of the example of program how to traverse the string with the help of the for loop. And now the some basic characteristics of the string is the string immutability. String in Python are immutable. This means that they cannot be changed after they are created. If we need to manipulate the string, then we can use the method like a concatenation, slashing, formatting to create a new string based on the original. So, here we see how to string is immutable. So here the string geeks 4 geeks that is stored in the as variable and trying to change the first character, there is an error. How to change s0 एस जो स्ट्रिंग है उसका फर्स्ट जो लेटर है उसको हमें चेंज करना है, तो चेंज किससे करना है, आई से। तो ये क्या कह रहा है, इसमें क्या एरर जनरेट होगा, uncommitting this line can be cause a type error. So if we want to change, so we use the next things that the state create a new string. We can write capital Z, the small g is replaced by the capital G, so plus s1 colon, so print the s, then output is that. So here we see how to change the letter into the string. Now the very important concept, that is string slicing, that many times asked in the AK2 exam and midterm exam also and PUTs. So this is a very important concept, that is slicing. So we understand what is the slicing and how to perform the operation with the help of the slicing into the string. So here we see you can return a range of the character by using the slice syntax. The specify the start index and the end index separated by a colon and to return a part of the string. So here the slicing means that we want to print the some parts of the string with the help of the slicing. So slicing is the basic concept that print the some part of the string from the string. So here we see with the help of the example, here the hello comma world, this is the basic string and stored into the B variable. So B is the string variable and we want to display the double LO from this string. So we know that we discussed into the previous slide, the indexing is starting from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we want to print double LO is starting from the indexing 2. So here we write 2 and then print 2, 3, 4, 4 and then ये आपका 5 लिया जाएगा। तो ये जो स्टार्टिंग है इसमें इंक्लूड करते हैं, जो लास्ट का जो भी जो इंडेक्सिंग होता है वो एक्सक्लूड रहता है अपनी किसमें, स्ट्रिंग में, है ना। तो इसमें से क्या होगा, 2, 3, 4 तक आपका प्रिंट होगा डबल एल ओ, 5 है, 5 को एक्सक्लूड करके रखते हैं। सो हियर वी सी आल्सो विद दिस कंसेप्ट दैट द कैरेक्टर्स फ्रॉम द पोजीशन 2 to position 5 not include. So this is the basic concept. So last indexing is not included into the string. Suppose we want to print the simple HE. So we write this function can be print then print B, then 0 colon 0 colon 2, 0, 1 and 2. 2 is exclude. So here we print the value only for the indexing 0 and 1. 0, 1 for the H and E. So here we display the some part of the string by the help of the string slicing. So how to now apply the negative indexing. So here we see some concept to describe the negative indexing. Use the negative index to start the slice from the end of the string. And suppose we want to apply the negative indexing. The negative indexing start with the last at the end of the string. So, if we want to print the ORL from this string, so ORL means that -1, -2, -3, -4, the value is ORL print, because last value is not printing for the indexing last. So, here we see how to apply the indexing. So, here we see with the help of the example how to apply the negative indexing. String methods. Now we discuss the some string method that can be applied on the string. So, here the method that is string strip. The Python has a set of the inbuilt method that can be used on string. The strip, the first is the strip method. The strip method remove any white space from the string, that can be beginning or end. Suppose here double quote and there is a space and world, and then there is a space. So, here and here the space is removed from we apply the string method onto the string. So, here a dot ये क्या है, a dot strip method. So, space from the starting and can be removed. The output of that, so here the space is removed and space is removed. So, this is the strip method that can be applied onto the string to remove the space from the starting and ending from the string. Now, the next method, that is lower method. A lower method return the string in lower case. Here we see with the example how to apply the lower method. So, hello world, this is the string that is stored in the variable a, and apply the lower method a dot lower, that the string is changed into the lower case. So, here H is capital and W is capital. So, here the all letter that are changed into the lower case. The lower case method that is used to change the capital or sentence into the lower case. Now, the upper method. Upper method is method that change the string into the upper case. So, see with the example how to apply the upper method and what is the output of the upper method. So, hello world is a string that is stored into the variable a, and apply the upper method a dot upper. So, change this string to the uppercase, all letter into the uppercase. So, here we see the hello and world is the change into the uppercase. Now, the other methods that can be also described here. That is first is capitalize, and then count. Here we discuss the two methods, that is capitalize and count method. The capital, what is the meaning of capitalize method? So, capitalize method convert the first character to uppercase, and the count method, what is the meaning of count method? The count method is a method that return the number of times a specified value occur in the string. So, here we see suppose we describe firstly the capitalize. So, suppose that I write a string like Rahul, and store into the variable a, and that is that, and apply the capital I method. So print a dot capitalize capital I method, and what is the output of that? That output is Rahul. तो इसमें ये राहुल है अपना, जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो आपका स्मॉल है, कैपिटलाइज करेंगे तो फर्स्ट लेटर आपका क्या हो जाएगा? कैपिटल हो जाएगा। एंड नाउ एक्सप्लेन द काउंट मेथड। हियर द एग्जांपल, the text is a string type that is stored the I love apple are my favorite fruit, and now apply the count method into the text dot count आपको क्या करना है? एप्पल करना है। तो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आर एप्पल अकरिंग टू दी दिस स्ट्रिंग? सो हियर वी सी फर्स्ट, सेकंड, so second times this is occurring to the string, so the output is second. So simply count is for the count the specified values that occur into the string. Now we discuss the next methods that are ends with and find, that is the string. So we discuss the ends with return the true if the string ends with the specified values. Suppose that here the hello, welcome to the my world. So text apply variable and method is end with d. The string is end with a d variable. So so print x, the output is true because string is ends with the d variables. Suppose that it is not ends with the d, the answer is false. Some answer is arise the false. And then the next method, that is find. The find method search the string for a specified value and return the position of the letter that are exist into the string. So here we see with the help of the example how the find method can be applied into the string. So here the string that is stored in the text variable, and text variable is that text, and then dot, and find apply the find method, and then we find out the position of the welcome where it is exist with position. So print x, the position of the welcome into the string, that is 7. Now we can check the it is true or false, that is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So 7 is the actual position. So here it is the right answer. So here see the ends and the find method. There is also some methods that we use into the string to solve the different type of programs. That is al num, that is alphanumeric. Return the true if all characters in the strings are alphanumeric. मान लीजिए कोई हमने स्ट्रिंग लिया और उसमें अपने मेथड अप्लाई किया इज अल्फा न्यूमेरिक, तो ये चेक करेगा यदि उसमें सभी अल्फा न्यूमेरिक हैं कैरेक्टर तो वो आपको रिटर्न करेगा ट्रू, अदरवाइज इट विल बी रिटर्न एज फॉल्स आंसर. द नेक्स्ट मेथड दैट इज अल्फा, रिटर्न ट्रू if all the characters in the string are in the alphabet. And next is the is digit method return the true if all characters in the string that are digit is identifier return true if the all the string in the string is identifier and is lower return the true if all character in the strings are lowercase, and then is numeric return true if all character in the string are numeric, is upper return true if all character in the string are uppercase, and then replace return a string where a specified value replaced with the specified values. Suppose there is the example for the replace. So, here I like banana is a string that store into the variable txt, and apply the replace method into the variable that is txt dot replace the banana replace from the string by the apple string. So, the print x here, the output is I like banana replaced by the apple. So, I like apples. So, here we see how to apply the replace method. And the also different types of method, that is rfind for the search the last value into the string. Here the example that can be see, this the string that is stored in the txt, and then apply the r method rfind, then rfind that is kasha, that not return the starting value, that is return the last value. The casa exists at which position, that is 12th position, and the r index search the string for a specified value and return the last position of a string that of a variable or letter that existing to the string. And then other method, that is rjust, and also the other methods. So, now we not cover the all things, and so the we see the references. These are references for the this contents.